Okay, so let's go ahead and continue on here with the show and share portion. And again, we'll be working through this kind of like what the directions want, but I'm going to be doing some different things along the way for those that kind of have a deeper understanding of how we can get these equations written. So there are 6 groups of 4 students who play the trumpet in the marching band. How many students play the trumpet in the band? So first of all, we'll draw a bar model to show each group of students. So we need 6 boxes, and we're going to write a 4 in each of the boxes, all right? Because we had 6 groups right here and 4 groups of students. All right? So when we do that and we get a 4 in each of the boxes, what we figure out quite easily is that there are 24 students. All right, we're going to take these 6 groups and multiply the 4 within each group to get 24. Okay, so 24 students play the trumpet. What if there are 4 groups of 7 students who play the saxophone? How many students play the saxophone or the trumpet? Okay, and we can go ahead and maybe take a closer look at this and see what we can come up with. All right, so we need, if we're going to go ahead and do the bar model here, 4 groups. And in each of the 4 groups, we are going to have 7. Not really sure how a marching band works. I'm going to assume that they need to have them in these groupings. So here we go. We have the 4 groups right here, and we're going to put 7 in each of those to get 28. Now, how do we combine? How is it that we are going to combine this with this? All right, so that becomes our task. So what we are going to be writing here is going to be the total number of trumpets plus total number of saxophones. There we go. May have to come down here in this area here just a little bit. And that is going to equal then the, we'll call that the grand total. All right. So how many trumpets did we get? Well, we had 6 groups of 4. And we are going to add to it the number of saxophones. And what did we have there? We had 4 groups of 7 to give us a grand total of 52 students. All right, because we had the 24 right here and the 28 right here. Add those up and we end up with 52. All right. We did some of these yesterday, the on your own questions and all that. And I will come back a little bit later on and show you some different ways to do that. What I want you to do is to solve those questions any way that you see fit that is going to help you get the answer. And then we'll talk about some different ways about how to solve those a little bit later.